Sorry about that, folks. I was just resetting the double slip here, as you saw, and I forgot to put the crossover back. So of course it came to a crashing halt, but there you go. This is one of those things. Operator error, I think they call it. There's the Bachmann 9F, which is very tastefully done for one of their weathered variety. I know there's this constant battle of, do you weather it yourself, or do you get it professionally done, or what's the weathering like for the big manufacturers. This one's been tastefully heavily weathered. I think I bought that one at Pico. I bought it for Richard because he very much liked the look of it, and it runs as good as the day we bought it. Excellent model, and holds up well against the Hornby variety, which has just come out. Got nothing really against the Hornby model. In various ways there's lots good about it. It's just that they've used a motor inside it which the S15 had, and is known to be suspect. Some might say pants, but there you go. Right, I'm going to attempt to bring the crusty boilered 9F out now, and then we can have a little running session. So from here we'll open up the inside route, go over to here, make sure the road is correct. It is there, it is on the double slip, and all I have to do, which I already have done, is energize the section, and we want to go just like that. Right, let's just follow it through, make sure it goes okay without a hitch. Across the double slip. If there's anything wrong with your track work, that will find it out, or rather the engines will do it for you. Right, he's on his way. And he should be coming out here. So if I just pop the camera off, pop it down there, you should be able to see everything very well. Here comes. Pulling various English china clay artifacts for those who are Cornish and like all things Cornish, as we do. Right, I'll just stop him there with my trusty controller. I'll reset the road, and I think we're good to go. So we'll flick that over to reverse, and off we go. Right, we're just following round, just make sure everything's tickety boot, as they say. Well, hey, 2 9F's. Right, now what I'll do, I'll just trot outside, and we'll have a panorama from outside then, shall we? Right, let's just try that. Here we go. Underneath. Oh look, daylight. Isn't that splendid? Could do with cutting the grass actually, but that's something else. Here we go. Right, well, we just missed that one. There's Tres guard van. The other one will be following around shortly. Just a little reminder, this will be probably the last video for a week or so, as next weekend it gets the Great Electric Train Show at Milton Keynes, which I'm very much looking forward to. lots of YouTubers will be attending, which is a good thing. You've got Alan from Dragon Junction, and Robert's Trains will be there. Robert Valentine, what a gentleman. Backman 9F. Here comes the Krusty Krusty. Anything I didn't put on the back there, a decent Great Western Railway brake van. What can you do? You can't get the staff, you know. There's two 9F's crossing without colliding. Very good. Yes, I'll be looking out for a signal box that gets one for the direction the camera's pointing over there. So I'll see what's on offer and then I'll make a decision. Might need a bit of surgery. Photo bombs. Don't know which way to look actually. Yes, I know that one goes green before it clears the section, but that's that board underneath there is slightly different. It's actually got a timer on it. So if you've got trains that are going fast, you need something to keep up with the signals. Krusty Krusty. Yeah, Hornby excelled themselves there. That's a railroad model, believe it or not. Weathered by GC Weathering of Essex, who are extremely good at what they do. This is a Backman weathered 9F. Crackerjack. Excuse me. Krusty 9F. Superb. I do like those English China clay wagons, particularly the white one. Not so sure that it looks as good as it should weathered. I mean, in pristine condition that does look pretty spectacular. English China Clay International. Doesn't quite have the same impact now they're all called Imeris. It's like back in the day you had amazing car names like Capri and Escorts and things of this nature, Zephyr, and now they come out with just pants names. But there you go, that's life and progress. Well, I won't bore you any further. Thanks for watching, always appreciated. Like and subscribe if you wish to do so, it's entirely up to you. I'm tickled pink I've got 100 subscribers, absolutely amazing. I've been toying with the idea of doing a live stream. I could always get Richard involved because that kind of techie thing's right up his street. And I suppose you could do it on two channels simultaneously, but we'd probably do it on just one of them. But having the two of us in here, that would be a riot in itself. It'd be a big fight over who wants to run what. There wouldn't be actually, we rub along. So, who knows, might see you at Getz if you wanna go along. I'll be there Saturday and Sunday, and it should be a good old show. Plenty of layouts, plenty of gear to buy, and a whole host of YouTubers going along, including Alan Wiles from Dragon Junction and Robert's Trains. And I'm scrambling to think who else. Oh, Peter Dixon, of course, Peter Dixon. How can we forget Peter and his man shed? Now we should get they should be arriving at just the same time, so we'll finish on a flourish, as they say. Oh yes, 9F's. You can't go wrong. Not sure what I've eaten today, but there you go. It's obviously nothing toxic or nothing likely to upset the digestive system. But I'll leave you there and carry on playing. So have a good time, folks. Stay safe, and I'll catch you all soon. Adios.